Now, another way to look at our keyword is to look at it within a patent search. And Google has a patent search at patents.google.com. And you can actually access that website. And what you're going to do is you're going to write in your term. In some cases, you may have to narrow the term. In some cases, you may have to broaden the term. But as you write it out, what Google will do is it will actually go and look for patents with those search terms. Now, what you'll be able to do is you'll be able to look at all of the different ways that individuals and companies have looked to patent on those search terms. You can look at the top results by filing date, who filed, who the inventors were. You can also narrow down the terms inside of Google Patents as well as do it by date. So again, if you want to look at some pre-commercial activity on your keyword, you can actually do it through the patent search at patents.google.com. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.